welcome back to my channel. Today I am here with my best friend, Sierra.
What's up, guys?
So you guys, this video is actually sponsored by Warner Brothers, and we are so stoked about this because we are doing a Easter slime challenge video. Now, we love Easter and we love slime. Now, Sierra's never made slime before, so I literally cannot wait to show her the slime ways. We have colors, we have scents, we have this gigantic bag of look-alike eggs for
all
the
things
slime.
I love.
All things I love. We're just children at heart, honestly. This video is sponsored by Warner Brothers, and I just said to you guys, they are releasing a movie called Tag on June 15th.
Please tell me what's going on here.
Our group of friends has been playing the same game of tag for 30 years.
What?
For the entire month of May, every year we play tag. Well, you got me.
And in the movie, for one month every year, these friends get together and they play tag. So I'm here with my best friend Sierra. She's the main girl in my squad. And like squad goals, girl, what's up? So I love Sierra because she represents a lot of characters in the movie. She kind of just like, she honestly embodies multiple characters in the movie. There is the ringleader.
Can't touch this.
Our buddy Jerry, he's the best that ever played.
Never been tagged.
We get Jerry now, or we die.
What?
Eventually, you know what I mean.
There is the boss.
Can't touch this.
Our group of friends has been playing the same game of tag for 30 years.
Well, you got me.
You never know when someone's gonna pop up.
There's also a reporter in the movie.
Can't touch this.
Will one of you please tell me what's going on here?
Okay, our group of friends has been playing the same game of tag for 30 years.
You're it.
Pass.
You're it. You're it. You're it.
What?
And Sierra and I are actually multimedia journalism majors, so we actually are reporters. We're actually friends from school, from college, so we just kind of have that going for us. So yeah, it's honestly really cool to have a friend like Sierra that embodies so many cool characters from the movie Tag, and I think it's really awesome. I love Sierra. I want you guys to tweet me. I want you to send me Snapchats. I want you to send me Instagram DMs of you with your squad. With the hashtag squad goals, and I want you guys to go see the movie. I want you to tell me who you like the best in the movie and what characters your friends represent, because my girl Sierra presents a lot of characters in the movie. And thank you again to Warner Brothers for sponsoring this video. It was so much fun to work with them. They are an amazing company. I am so thankful for that, and I will have the trailer down below for the movie Tag. If you want to go watch it, it's linked down below. And so yeah, let's just hop right in to making this Easter slime challenge with my girl, with my squad.
We're good.
Okay, so we have this gigantic container here. We're gonna make a lot of slime today.
I'm so excited.
This could be kind of a large container to make slime in, but it's okay because I have my girl. I tagged my girl to come along to make some slime. Because it's like an Easter slime, I assume we'll do a nice sweet smelling candy, sugar kind of smell. Yeah,
okay,
open it up. So I have a strawberry one, she has Fruity Pebbles, and they literally smell so good.
Where's yours? Okay, that smells so good.
So we have our mixing spoons here, and we're gonna mix together. I'm gonna slowly add in some activator. I pre-made some borax and some water before she got here. Okay. And I'm gonna just like slowly add in some. We can just like, oh, it's a little blockage. Okay. We're gonna just start mixing it. Slow slide.
This is a workout.
Oh, it literally.
If you've never done this, this is a workout.
My biceps have actually gotten big because of like constantly this
like just on this
and,
arm it's going to go. Unless I kind of like turn the button.
I already have some pretty broad shoulders because I was in color guard for like 7 years, like even in college.
Oh, yeah.
So like flag work, rifle work, like all that.
Oh my gosh.
Now making slime, it's like.
I remember when you were in color guard because we had class together.
Yeah.
I remember that.
Oh my god.
Just like, it was like geology class or something like that.
Oh my gosh, throwback.
I know. And we didn't sit at the same table. I don't know. That class was like only once a week. Yeah. But I remember you in the first like day how you give like the fun fact. I swear
oh my god, I literally remember.
I swear you said something like, I'm on the color guard team. And
oh my god.
who's that girl?
Now we're making slime together.
I don't know, yeah, I still remember that.
That was like for, oh my gosh, that class was rough.
That's when I was a freshman.
Oh my gosh, that was so long ago.
Yes.
We literally crossed paths like 4 years ago, and we're finally like, we're like super close now.
Yeah, but that's how life works, you
life
know?
does that. It like shows you your friends, but like you don't even like, you don't talk to them for a while or like for years, and then they're like, you're instantly friends. Yeah. So we have the slime all activated now. Honestly, if I didn't have CR with me, I would probably be here for like 45 days just making this, mixing it. 45 days is
it's a workout.
So now we're gonna make the slime extra Easter looking, and we're gonna just open up these colorful bags and put them into the slime.
Oh my gosh. Do not try this at home.
Or do and see what happens.
Yeah.
It literally is gorge, Kim.
Literally, Kim.
Literally, Kim. Oh, this looks like literally gorgeous.
I love this.
Alright you guys, I had so much fun making slime with my squad. Yeah. We are like our own little squad. Her and I are like honestly like two peas in a pod. Betty and Veronica. Squad. So we are like this, okay? It was so much fun to have her with me, and I tagged you guys to make slime with your friends. I tagged you guys to go watch the new trailer for the movie Tag. It's linked down below, and thank you again to Warner Brothers for sponsoring this video. It was so much fun to do this video. I had a great time, and I will have it tagged down below for you guys to go check out. And until then, you guys, we will see you very soon, and yeah, bye guys!